CreativeSpace is a central hub for your creative data. In this video, I'll show you how we've integrated various features into the CreativeSpace platform to build a practical solution that makes it easier for customers to connect, collaborate, and create. When building the software, our goal was to make the things that you need to do quick and intuitive, so that you can focus on what matters, being creative. First, let's look at what most users will see. With a desktop app, users only see the spaces and folders they have permissions to and can mount them to the desktop with the click of a button. Bookmarks let you bring what you're currently working on to the top. If you need to start a new project or production, you can apply folder structure templates created in the web app. As you can see, I'm accessing the web app with the custom.local address. This is the broadcast name. We've integrated a domain name server, or DNS, so that everyone can connect with the same address, regardless of their IP address or whether or not they're accessing locally or through a VPN. In addition to making it easy to connect, the broadcast name lets you share links to spaces, folders, and files from the Spaces page. This page lets you browse, search, preview, and even download from your storage through your internet browser. At this point, you may be wondering what a space is. Spaces let you divide your storage up into virtual partitions. Because they're virtual, each space can use the full performance and capacity of the server. If you want to control capacity usage for each space, you can set up quotas and reservations. A built-in authentication system gives you deep control over access to your spaces, ensuring nobody can see or do anything they aren't supposed to. When each user logs in with their own account, it makes it easier to identify the source of bottlenecks and security breaches. The team page makes managing users extremely simple. Assign each user a role to control what they can see and do in the web app. Assign read and write access to spaces, folders, and files with groups and users. Putting users into groups allows you to change the members of your team without having to change permissions folder by folder. To make managing permissions even easier, we've integrated templates so you can reuse the same folder structures and permissions for your projects and productions. By using brackets in your file and folder names, you can define variable fields for users to populate when they apply templates. Copying files between spaces and external storage devices can cause strain on your network, so we've integrated a copy and sync tool into the web app that lets you copy data internally. You can set a job priority to determine where your copy should fit in the overall queue of tasks. Setting it low will prioritize user access to the storage. You can use this tool to ingest from attached USB devices like card readers, or sync folders and files between spaces. With powerful conflict resolution options, you can compare source and target folders to only copy new or unique files. Finally, let's talk about remote workflows. We've integrated a file transfer protocol server that allows users to connect to nodes from the FTP application of their choice, to upload and download folders and files. All access is based on the same users and groups that you already have set up. How you open up access outside your local network will vary based on your security requirements. Regardless, the team at Digital Glue is available to help you find the right solution for your needs. We look forward to seeing how CreativeSpace users will leverage these integrated features to save time in their workflows.